Este güey nomás nos ponga de chantaje en el pinche le va a ir muy mal. El perro se fue porque el perro se escondió.
Hey.
This is after this song.
Yes.
Mastermind, bionic dreams. I don't run with human beings, I run with spiritual teams. I'm the extreme, supernatural fiend. I can beat you up if I want to, but that would be a coward move. I'd rather send a demon to possess you. Don't tempt me, boy, I'm from the 80s. I still know how to jack, no, I ain't got time for this. You look a little bit confused, caught up in the concrete jungle nightmare. Listen up when you sleep tonight. Freddy's coming for you, you ain't got no choice. You better come correct and recognize that these are the last days. So what you doing, bro? I'm fighting for the youth. Quit running in circles, it's inevitable. I'm constantly reminded 3y3 is my identity, making sure everyone's aware. I'm fighting for the people, this ain't a riddle. Go ahead and play the fiddle for a little. I'm carving 3x3 on your brain with my lyrical chisel, lyrical lobotomy. I'm leaving you crippled, keep on ignoring them by continually smacking your gums about your interest in physical abilities and functionalities. I don't give a damn about your money and material things, not to mention your bling bling. Keep on shining, bro, you're discouraging humanity. I'm a warrior for God, he's the only one that can stop me, and that's the thing, I'm a chosen one. And he's the one that sent me directly. Straight universal gangsta, I'm untouchable. Get out of my way. I don't appreciate the way you forget about the children these days, lost in the shadows, contemplating suicide. You forget about them, you're my spiritual rival, my spiritual nemesis. Come after me, I triple tear ya, I'll stomp you like a cockroach. Listen to the sounds the trumpets calling the justice of legions. Angels stopping the school system from brainwashing them, cutting their own air supply. These children in bathroom stalls, elementary halls. Social media ain't helping at all. In contrary, they're making it a mockery, announcing it, not even following up with the story, totally degrading it, forgetting about it altogether. Man, I'm telling you right now, I remember every individual, every single person forgotten. Man, even if you don't like what I'm rapping, your stupidity is working against you. That's the way this energy works, slapping you around. Man, it's manipulating you. Man, we don't need you. Man, your rap is useless. Quit babbling poison, disintegrating into the air, spreading pollution. The air is filthy now, making it hard to breathe the air of sanity, the air of life. Nobody really cares at the end of the day of your hypothetical stories, telling lies all the time. You're practically dead already. Initiate a way to help humanity. Don't ignore this message, cause if you do, you're severely selfish and that's a fatality. You don't wanna end up in the abyss with me. Be careful where you're pissing. Man, every choice is critical, supernatural. Even if you have a little taste, you can wake up the whole human race with just a sample. The universe is incrementally real, designs to sustain biology, spaceless density, unclear to mankind capacity. In order to obtain such information effectively to a specific degree, you gotta let pain hurt. It's only gonna get worse. Some dreams will never die, someday reuniting with family. Be aware of your selfish desire, practicing individualism, a form of prison. Death is real, it's just around the corner, but there is a solution. Quit causing people to stress by pressing them against the corner, competing constantly. I'm not gonna take that lightly, man, I'm not gonna stand still while everyone is suffering.
I don't know, my shit was kind of
No, you're good. You're great.
a little wobbly,